Hey, what's up you guys, your boy Crypto B5 here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the process of painting my parts for my new B5 build. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me show you guys a little bit of what I've done. So I'm going with the same basic scheme that I did with my other build. A lot of wrinkle black, flat black for most of the brackets. Check out the turbo yesterday, and I got the downpipes in right here. I am going to eventually heat wrap that sucker, but I do also have, I guess you could say, a surprise, but you guys will have to wait for the next video to catch that. Totally undecided whether going 1.8, 1.9 or 2.0, but like I said, you guys will find out in the next video. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. I'm about to take out the clutch just to see how it looks. See if maybe I'll need a new one of mine. Can't wait to dig in there and clean it.
There we go. There we go. Oh, it looks good. Kind of looks good. It still got it got teeth, bro. This shit got teeth.
Yeah, fuck yeah, bro. Somebody to save some money.
Little good sanding, we're good. Yeah, she just got a little pits, but it's all good.
Fuck yeah.
See, look, this is brand fucking new. Normally this is orange, bro.
Hey, what's up, you guys? Beautiful day. Music on the background. See if my video doesn't get flagged for it. But this is what I got going on with the harness as of right now. Instead of letting it run through the top right here all nasty, I'm try to clean it up, let everything run through the bottom. And then I'm still debating whether I'm gonna run that through there or if I should run it through the bottom of the wall. But this is what's going on right now. Cleaned up the transmission. Still needs a couple more, a little bit of more love. But this is clean. Little by little. Alright, you guys, and this is the second setup that I'm thinking of. I think this is what I'm gonna go with. Everything is stashed on the back side. Harness runs through here. Instead of running up here, or instead of being sitting on the tranny, run this to the bottom side. I think that's gonna be it.